This is Niall from Best RV in Torla, California. Winnebago Voyage is the top of the line Winnebago Towable. This has a beautiful tilt-footed cabin as you see. This model is 34, 38 rear kitchen. It's amazing 30-foot trailers. This unit, if you notice on it, it's come with 2 power arms and auto leveling. It has all the 3 things. So it has the hide-a-bed sofa, has the theater seating facing the TV, has a counter space with the 2 chairs facing also the TV and the fireplace. Plus you have your own office and desk. So if you work from this travel trailers, you could utilize it very well. Kitchen, I don't know how to say, it's amazing solid surface countertop, a lot of prep area next to the sink on the right and the left, huge cabinets with glass. I mean, look, this cabinet is right there, plenty of room as well, place underneath. You have a plenty door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another cabinet, silverware. The fridge, look how big it is. 3-door reefer with an ice maker. Perfect. So this is what I like about this trailers. It make it 3 sections. You have kitchen, countertop. You have nice living room, bathroom, and bedroom. Now, from regarding the microwave, we have convection microwave, not just regular microwave. So I could cook inside on the top, cabinet on the right and the left, storage on the top, prepping area on the right and the left of the 3-burner range with the oven, trash can, voila, room for trash can, and with it, silverware, prepping area. So I could sit here and finish eating, prepping, make it ready, and then when I'm done from my kitchen, I could go to walk to my living room. And I have a beautiful hide bed. I could watch the TV from any position I want. And then I have 2 theater seating with the cup holders. Voila. Where's my drink? My drink, please. And then beautiful smart TV with a nice Intel fireplace, GPL speakers inside and outside. And then I have my office. I can put my computers, my monitors, my desk, my rooms. Doors on the right, doors to the left, 3 windows. I could work from this travel trailers with no problem. I have my own working area. Then coming here, I have a beautiful full-size bed with a lot of closets around it, storage all over. There's a storage underneath. And this is where I could strap my chair, storage. No heater vents in the floor. Then I could put a stackable if I want to. Washer and dryer, I just have to move the shelf. Or if I don't want to put a stackable, I could put a combo that fits without moving anything. Or I could put a stackable and I have room for that. My second AC in the bedroom, and again is ducted. I could put a second TV here in the bedroom and it's already done. And when it comes to the bathroom, beautiful medicine cabinet, sink, faucet. This is solid, not a Formica. Solid porcelain toilet. Another towel cabinet, bathroom with very roomy. Look at the height, elbow, and nice showers. So 34, 38, Winnebago Voyage, beautiful travel trailers with 4 sections. From here that way is my kitchen. From here to the TV is my living room and my office. And then I have my bathroom and the bedroom. And while you're sitting here on the counter, you have cell phone charger. Voila, you can see I charge my phone. Voila. And then I have the USB plug and 1 pin. I could use this working counter. I could put stuff here and serve food. I could have 2 kids sitting here eating while they're watching a game. 2 people sitting here, so that's total 4, 5, 6, 7. So I could seat 7 people at the same time eating and watching a game, enjoying this beautiful trailer. Come to Best RV. Grab the 34, 38 rear kitchen Voyage Again, Winnebago, one of the high-end travel trailers. Not a cheap travel trailer, it's high-end, but we make it a low cost and we make it affordable. 2 AC, auto leveling, kitchen in the back, office, theater seating, king-size bed. Come to Best RV and grab it.